but it did not furnish, did not has already come, and then using neither with it nor with it would be quite awkward as well as redundant. It did not furnish either original thought nor. So see, nor has come here, so either cannot come. There has to be a neither. The problem with this is that when you say neither and did not together, it leads to a positive meaning which changes the intended meaning of the sentence. The meaning is that the essay provided neither this nor that. So this should also be eliminated. There's a nor here, so neither is needed. Or nor can come alone, but then either cannot come. Okay, so option C, though it failed in furnishing nor discussed. Failed in furnishing nor discussed is not parallel. Failed in furnishing any original thought nor discussed. So C can be eliminated. Though it furnished no original thought nor discussed a practical solution. So C furnished, though it furnished no original thought nor discussed. These two are parallel. This is okay. Option E also, it did not furnish nor discussed. Did not furnish and not discussed. Furnished, discussed were parallel. Did not furnish, discussed are not parallel. This also can be eliminated. D is the best of the lot.